Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing the device. Charge it above 20% and back up anything unsaved. Once done, inspect the volume rocker visually and clear obvious debris using compressed air or a toothpick very gently. This removes grime that blocks contacts. Next, reboot into safe mode so you can determine whether an app is intercepting button events. You do this because safe mode disables third-party apps, letting you isolate hardware from software causes before moving to deeper fixes. You now focus on software. Open settings, sound, and manually move media, call, and alarm sliders to ensure the OS responds. If sliders move, the button is likely mapped. Check accessibility shortcuts and any button remap apps, then disable or reset them. Make sure your system and firmware are up to date because updates can fix driver issues. If the problem persists, boot to recovery and clear the cache partition to remove corrupted temporary files that may block button events. You finish with hardware verification. Power off and carefully press the volume button to feel for a distinct click or resistance. Lack of feedback suggests a mechanical failure. If mechanical, contact a repair shop or replace the volume flex cable if you can. Many phones allow module swaps. Once repaired, verify operation across apps. If uncertain, use a Bluetooth headset or USB volume control if those work. You know the OS is fine and the physical button is the culprit, which guides your next.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.